What's up, guys? Brandon Chaden, BST Classics in Norwalk, Iowa. We got the 58 Willys blasted. Check it out.
There's a few spots that are pretty rough. Man, most of all, they just filled rust with Bondo. I don't know what this patch job is here. Nothing that we would do, but we are, Luke's getting her sanded down so we can get it into epoxy primer. They actually patched this side, but very elementary patch job. Got some rust. A little 6-piece firewall system here.
We're gonna remake the firewall. We're gonna finish out the floors. We will make our own fender flares for the back end of the Jeep and hopefully get it in epoxy by Monday. Hit that like and subscribe. Help us build this channel. Thanks, guys.